Welcome back to Programming Geek channel. Today we are starting a new series of data structure and algorithm. In this series we will solve a GFG questions and it is our first question of this series. I will provide this questions link in description section. You can solve this question, and in this question we will find the maximum repeating number. It means we have an array. We will find the maximum repeating number. It means first we will check the frequency of every element. Then we will find that number whose frequency is maximum. Then we will return that number. And there is a condition. If there are two or more maximum repeating number, then we will consider that element and which has the least value. Okay. Here some example are. First example. In first example, this is an array. Then these elements, and we will find the maximum repeating number. You will notice here 2 is the maximum repeating number because here 2 is present in 3 times and the frequency will be 3. Then the output will be 2. And it's in second example, there is an array and these are elements of that array. And then you will notice here the frequency of 2 is 2 and 1 has frequency 2 and 0 has 2. It means we will apply this condition in second example. If there are 2 or more maximum repeating number, then we will return element which has least value. Here, let's understand the logic. Okay, in first example, we have these elements. Then the frequency of 2 is 3 and 1 has 1. You will notice here the frequency of 2 is 3. It means the maximum number repeating is 2. And in second example, there are some example like elements and 2 has frequency 2. 1 has frequency 2. 0 has frequency 2. Okay, then we will use this last condition here. In this second example, then we will consider the number which we will return, that is 0. Okay, we are familiar with frequency counter method. In this method, we will count every element's frequency by using map method. Okay, map data structure. Basically, in this data structure, there are some keys like can we have values like function, object, or any primitive data. Then we can also iterate this map, and there are some method of map data structure like get math and get method, set method, and has method. In get method, first after creating the map, then we will use get method. It will give us the value, then set method, then has method. Has will return us if value. It means if key is present in map, it will give us true, otherwise false. Then last is set. It will set the key value pair in map. Okay, then we will use these method. After creating the map using new map constructor, then we will use get method, has method, set method. Get will to find the value which is frequency of that element, and has will check the value is present or not. It means the element is present or not, or key is present or not. Okay. And then set, we will use set method to set the key value pair in map. Okay. This is a logic. First, we will find the frequency of every element. Then we will use the frequency counter method for this using map, data structure, and the methods of get, has, and set. Okay. And then there is a condition. If there are 2 or more maximum repeating number, then we will return that element having least value. Okay. For this, we will write the if statement to check the. For this, first we will declare a variable like maxFreq. Okay. In which we will store the maximum frequency. First, we will initialize it by 0. And another condition will be, then another variable will be ans, which is also initialized by 0, in which we will store that element or key whose frequency is maximum. Then we will return the ans. This is the logic. Let's write the code here. First, we will declare a variable. Let MP is a variable in which we will call the constructor to create a map. It will create a map. Then we will iterate this map using for loop, in which first we will declare a variable I, which is initialized by 0. Then it will check every element which are present in this array. That's why we will write the condition I is less than 2, and then we will increment the value of I. Let's another variable is X, in which we will declare every element. X is a variable in which we assign every element which are present in this array. Okay. Then we will write the condition here if map has that number. Okay. Map has a number. Then we will use has method here. Then we will check if number is present. Then we will set that number with its value. It means its frequency by using mp.set method. Let key will be X, and we will find that value of key using get method mp.set. mp.get, it will then we will find the value of that element here. Then we will increment the value by 1. Otherwise, we will, if value is not present, then we will set the key value pair, that element, and its frequency or value is 1. Then here we have the frequency and elements value. Here we have both frequency of every element. Then we will find the maximum frequency. That's why we will declare a variable maxFreq, which is initialized by 0, and that another variable is ans, which is initialized by 0, in which we will store the maximum frequent element. Okay, then we will use for loop, for each loop. In for each loop, in for each method, first we will pass the value, then key. Then we will write the condition. Condition will be, it will check if 2 or more numbers has same frequency, then we will consider the least number. Then the condition will be if value is greater than maxFreq. Okay. Then we will assign that value in maxspec. And answer will be, because we have to assign the key also, whose frequency is maximum. That's why we will assign ans key in ans. Now, another condition will be else if. The condition will be if value is equal to maxspec. Then we will check the key. If key is less than 2 ans, then we will store that key in ans. At last, we will return the ans using return keyword. Okay, there is some error. Let's check the error. First, we will declare a variable MP in which we will use the constructor to create a map. Then we will iterate that map. Then we will store every element which are present in this array. And then we will check if element is already present. Then we will set the key element that as a key, and value will be the frequency, and we will increment the value of that element. And if it is not present, then we will set that element with the value. Then we will declare two variables, first to store the frequency and second is key. Okay, then we will iterate that, then we will access every value, key value pair. Then we will check the condition if value is maxspec, and maxspec will be that value, and we will store that key in ans. Second condition will be if value is equal to maxspec, then we will write the condition here. If key is less than 2 ans, it means max smallest key. Then we will store the smallest key in ans and we will return this ans. Okay, there is some error. Okay, this is a perfect code. And basically in this question हम क्या करेंगे, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या बोला गया है, इस क्वेश्चन में हमें सिंपल बोला गया था इस क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग हमें वो नंबर फाइंड करना था जो इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी सबसे ज्यादा है. इट मीन्स वही मैक्सिमम रिपीटिंग नंबर होगा. इसके लिए हमने सभी नंबर की फ्रीक्वेंसी पहले काउंट कर ली है. और अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पर एक कंडीशन दी गई है, अगर 2 या 2 से ज्यादा यहाँ पर एलिमेंट हैं जिनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम है तो हम क्या करेंगे, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर कंसिडर करेंगे. ओके, इसके लिए हम क्या करा है, हमने पहले एक मैप क्रिएट करेंगे, मैप को फिर इटरेट करेंगे. अगर मैप में ऑलरेडी नंबर प्रेजेंट है तो हम उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को 1 से इंक्रीमेंट कर देंगे, कि अगर वो ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है तो उसमें 1 इंक्रीमेंट होगा अगर वो उसको दोबारा मिलता है तो. ओके, और अगर नहीं मिला है तो हम उस नंबर को की में और उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी को 1 से इनिशियलाइज कर देंगे. अब हमारे पास इस लूप में क्या होगा, सभी एलिमेंट की फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी की वैल्यू में. ओके, की क्या होगी, वो नंबर, और वैल्यू क्या होगी, इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी. देन हम दो वेरिएबल यूज करेंगे. फर्स्ट मैक्स फ्रीक्वेंसी स्टोर करने के लिए, और आंस जो कि जिसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी मैक्सिमम होगी वो हम आंस में स्टोर करेंगे, और आंस को हम रिटर्न करेंगे क्योंकि हमें वो नंबर चाहिए. उसके लिए पहले हम क्या करेंगे, फॉर ईच मेथड्स यूज करेंगे, उसमें वैल्यू और की को एक्सेस करेंगे. अगर वैल्यू मैक्स फ्रिक्स से ज्यादा है तो मैक्स फ्रिक्स में हम वो वैल्यू को स्टोर करेंगे और उसकी की को हम आंस में स्टोर करेंगे. अब ये कंडीशन इस स्टेटमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग है, ये वाला कोड. अगर वैल्यू और मैक्स फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम हो जाती है तो हम क्या करेंगे, स्मॉलेस्ट की देखेंगे. अगर स्मॉलेस्ट की, इट मींस स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर को हम आंस में स्टोर करेंगे और एट द एंड हम आंस में प्रिंट कर लेंगे. लेट्स सबमिट दिस कोड. Okay, this is a perfect code. If you have any doubts regarding this question, please comment in a comment section. We will solve more question in more videos. And if you like this solution. Please share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.